Hi, this is John, and in this clip we will be installing the glass shades. Now that we've tested our light and it works properly, go ahead and remove that bulb, but be careful because it might be hot, so you'll probably want to give it some time to cool down. Our fixture comes with 3 glass shades. Now these are the screw-on type glass shades. To install them, the lights have little dimples in them, and the shades have a threaded end on them. Now it's always good just to make sure that the electricity is off because we're working up in this area. To install them, go ahead and slip the shades in place and rotate them clockwise. I use 2 hands, one hand to grasp the shade, the other hand to grasp the light, just so it doesn't bend it. And you want to put these on fairly tight, but not too tight that you break the shade in your hand, and not too loose that they're going to fall off. So I put them on hand tight, and then I just give it just a little more just to make sure it is in fact on there. Go ahead and repeat the same procedure for the other shades.